Have you ever wondered what it takes to attract the woman of your dreams? The truth is, it's not about flashy gestures or memorizing pickup lines. It all starts with you. In the next few minutes, we'll break down the steps to becoming the best version of yourself, because the secret to attracting your ideal partner lies in self-improvement. The first step is self-reflection. Ask yourself, who am I right now? What do I bring to the table? Before you seek someone amazing, make sure you're amazing too. This doesn't mean you have to be perfect. Instead, focus on identifying areas where you can grow. Are there bad habits holding you back? Are you setting and achieving goals? Women are naturally drawn to men who have a clear sense of purpose and are actively working to better themselves. Next, let's talk about ambition. Women admire men who are driven, not necessarily rich or famous, but someone who has a plan and the determination to achieve it. Think about your personal and professional goals. Are you striving to grow in your career, build your skills, or work on a passion project? When you focus on achieving something meaningful, your confidence will naturally grow, and that confidence is incredibly attractive. This one is simple but important. Take care of yourself. Regular exercise, eating healthy, and maintaining good hygiene aren't just about looking good. They're about showing that you value yourself. You don't need to look like a fitness model, but making an effort to stay active and healthy shows discipline and self-respect. Plus, it'll give you more energy and a positive mindset. Physical attraction might catch her eye, but emotional intelligence will win her heart. This means understanding your own emotions and being empathetic towards others. Practice being a good listener. Show genuine interest in what people have to say, and learn to express yourself honestly. Relationships are built on trust and communication, and women appreciate men who can connect on a deeper level. The people you surround yourself with shape who you are. Build a network of supportive, positive friends who encourage you to grow. A healthy social circle not only makes you happier, but also gives you confidence in social settings. Women notice when a man is respected by his peers and enjoys meaningful relationships. Be the kind of person who adds value to the lives of those around you. Above all, stay true to who you are. Don't change yourself just to impress someone. Authenticity is one of the most attractive qualities you can have. When you're comfortable in your own skin, it shows. Women are drawn to men who are confident in their individuality, not trying to be someone they're not. Attracting your dream woman isn't about tricks or shortcuts. It's about becoming the best version of yourself. Reflect on your strengths and weaknesses, pursue your passions, stay healthy, and build meaningful connections. When you focus on improving yourself, the right person will naturally be drawn to you. Remember, confidence and authenticity are irresistible. Now go out there and make it happen.